Yeah, that's the sort of pet you want to have, isn't it?
Oh, you dipshit.
Yeah. Whoops, they missed that turn off.
Whoa, nice. What are you doing, dipshit?
Oh,
That's what you're doing, dipshit. Good job. That's a clicker.
you dickhead.
Oh, we indicated. I don't care. You fucking knuckle. Get around the fucking corner, you dumb shit. My God. What an asshole. You can't turn right there, you fucking wanker. Get past it. Oh, Jesus, you fucking wanker. What a wanker.
What are you doing? There's a motorbike on there.
Shit, dude.
Good. At least he spends time with his brother.
Wow, those two guys went round real late.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's like I stopped dead.
That was a beauty.
Ooh, nice job, dude. Nice.
Definitely don't want to stop for that. It's, you know, just gonna.
You can't turn right from that lane, you fucking idiot. But you want to go straight ahead, apparently. Oh, you fucking numpty! Oi, you're gonna fucking wander off. Nice, good job, you fucking turkey. It's hard to get them on the phone, but yeah, they do it. 4 burgers, 4 chips, $20.
Oh!
Fuck's sake, bitch! And then Chris is 04, I forget, 0435, I think. It was 0427. You dipshit.
Right, but should have put a
You
fucking leave.
dipshit. That's not a place to.
I say something stupid like I love you.
Ah, come on, you fucking knob. What a genius knob you are. Asshole. Ah, you fucking knob. Another asshole. Fuck you, asshole.
Oh, wow.
It smells bad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you
You
fuckwit!
fucking idiot. Almost got...
Fuckers McWitters. God damn you.